Trump, China, India tariffs. These four words have been blasted by media to you day in, day out since Trump got elected. Let's understand the effect of tariffs now. Let's imagine India exports to US and China also exports to US. Okay. Now China generally would manufacture, let's say, something for 3 yuan, Chinese currency. They want to sell it for 7 yuan. And if $1 equal to 7 yuan, that means China will sell their product to United States for $1. Now generally, because it costs to manufacture more in India, India would be selling to them at $1.5. That is why Americans would be buying more from China and less from India. Now Trump comes and Trump says 50% tariff for China. मतलब जो $1 का गुड चाइना का बिक रहा था, now Trump will charge 50% as penalty to China. That means उनका प्रोडक्ट तो $1.5 का हो जाएगा. And this additional money the consumers will have to pay because they are buying the product, and consumers will get irritated. Why should I pay more for the same quantity and same quality of good? They would want total outflow from their pocket to be around $1 only, the same they were paying earlier. So what would China do now? The costing for China is still 3 yuan. They want to still earn 7 yuan. So what they will do, they will start printing currency, yuan. And a simple economics ka demand and supply ka diagrams tells you that whenever the supply of something increases, the price falls. Because yuan बहुत abundant available होगा against dollar. तो अगर आज मैं $1 लेके एक दुकान पे जा रहा हूँ, बोलो भैया yuan देना, वो पहले 7 yuan दे रहा था, अब yuan सस्ता हो गया, मतलब मेरे को 10-11 yuan दे देगा. So let's imagine if the Chinese depreciate their currency to 10.6 yuan. They want to earn, remember, only 7 yuan. So now they can easily sell their goods for $0.66 rather than $1. And when Trump puts 50% tariff on $0.66, the amount will come back to $1, what American consumers were initially paying. So China को तो export का फायदा मिल जाएगा due to currency depreciation, but India struggles. That is why if China devalues the currency, even India will have to devalue their currency to maintain exports.